So, Steve, as somebody who's interested in finance, is a theologian, how do we develop a healthy relationship in regards to finances? Specifically as Christians. I know you shared great Bible verses here, um, but is it ethical for Christians to save, but furthermore to invest for their future?
Yeah, great question. And first of all, we need to educate ourselves according to the Bible.
Hmm.
That's for sure. And I've seen that philosophy that you've just shared. The idea is that we just need to give our all into God's work and don't think about this.
Yeah.
But there's something that I think people who believe that are missing. Many times, people that believe that way are involved in ministries.
Hmm.
They're involved in like White Horse Media or Amazing Facts or Secrets Unsealed or different kinds of ministries. And most Christians who are involved in ministry, even if they believe that they shouldn't be thinking about money because it's quote unquote unspiritual, they're probably praying that God will move upon people to donate so their ministries can thrive. And I've asked myself the question, what's more important, having an evangelistic series that's winning souls to Jesus and funding that evangelistic series?